Hi everyone and welcome to Ohio Valley Couponer. So today I am here with some really insane 4-day sale, Kroger weekend sales. I've been doing this. This is the second week in a row. We've had an overlapping 4-day and a 2-day sale. So really nice. Kroger's doing a few things. Now there are some pretty good deals here. It's not as good as last week in my opinion, but there still are some pretty good deals that you're not going to want to miss out on. So we're going to get into those. First up, if you haven't seen the videos from this week, you're not going to want to miss those. If you wait until the end screen of this video, you can check those out. It'll have me talking about some Ibotta drama. You're not going to want to miss that, as well as the current Kroger videos for this week. So we're going to do that, and then also come back on Friday. We'll have an insert preview, and then also Saturday, we'll have the new Kroger ad preview, as well as the last chance printables. So we have a lot of stuff coming up on the channel, so do not miss any of that. So yeah, let's just dive right into the sale. First up, we're going to start out with the 4-day sale, which will run from Thursday all the way through Sunday. Okay, so here's our 4-day sale. We have $8.99 for the Stofers, party size or large family size, and these are just regular sales. You don't need any special coupons or anything to get these. It's $11.99 for the Kroger breakfast sausage, and you do earn 3 times the fuel on the meat, produce, and something else items. 49 cents when you buy 10 Powerades. That is the best one here for sure, so definitely do that if you like Powerade. $2.88 for Lay's Doritos party size, and we have $4 for these Kroger shrimps or the shaved steak. Oh, or the boneless wings, 2 pounds frozen, which that's a pretty good price for those. It'll be really good for parties and stuff. Okay, and then here's the Friday and Saturday only sale that'll run from the 5th through the 6th. These are with the 5X digital coupons you load on your Plus card, and yes, those are really nice. Always good when they do those. So load those to your Plus card, and you can utilize that. And there's a limit of 5, so you can only do it 5 times on a single transaction. Okay, so here we have $1.99 for the Nabisco family size crackers or cookies, which is a very good price for those. We do, I want to say, have a saving star for the chips. Yes, 75 cents on the Chips Ahoy saving star rebate. So you can utilize that. You get it for $1.24. I'm sure many of you got it during the last mega event. So yeah, keep that in mind. 97 cents a pound for store brand turkey. Nope. Well, if you need it, but we got it a lot cheaper than that a couple months ago around Thanksgiving. $3.99 for the Edwards pie. 99 cents for the Crest toothpaste. And this is really good. I hope this doesn't offend anybody, but just a little pro tip. I know a lot of people, seniors and stuff, when they get their paycheck for the month, they go and pay their bills at Kroger or whatever at the service desk. If you're one of those people, load this coupon to your card. I mean, it doesn't have to be seniors. I'm just saying this time of the month is usually when, most people pay their bills when they get paid. So, yeah, if you're one of those people who pay your bills at the service desk, definitely load this coupon. Again, I hope that didn't offend anybody. I was just saying, a lot of times at the first of the month is when a lot of people get their checks, so that's when they pay their bills. So I think that's why Kroger put out this coupon, which is really nice. So, yeah, load that coupon. Then $1 for these Paws egg dyeing kits, which is a very good price if you need one for Easter. We already got ours for way cheaper because my cousins and I still dye eggs because I don't really know why, but we still do. So, yeah, that's why I got that. But very good price. Don't wait on that one if you need one because they're not going to be on sale around Easter. So get that one if you need an egg kit. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. Check out these other videos if you haven't already. Always stick around the channel because there's always new stuff that I do. And there will be a lot of videos coming up over the weekend and everything. So you don't want to miss those. So, yeah, that's all I have for now. Check out these other videos if you haven't already. And thank you so much for watching.